Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best GoPro boat mount is probably one of the most essential accessories for any watersports enthusiast looking to capture their adventures from a unique perspective, allowing you to film thrilling activities like surfing, kayaking, jet skiing, or simply cruising on the water with unparalleled stability and clarity, ensuring you don't miss a single splash or breathtaking moment. Number 5. TELESIN Camera Clamp Mount. Experience rock-solid stability with our upgraded clamp mount. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures your videos remain smooth and professional, even during intense rides or movements. Achieve the perfect angle every time with the innovative dual ball head design. It offers a full 360-degree rotation for precise adjustments, ensuring your shots are always stable and exactly where you want them. This mount adapts to your needs, clamping securely onto tubes from 22 to 38 mm, or down to 9 to 15 mm with the included gasket. It's perfect for motorcycles, bicycles, railings, and much more. Connect extension rods or selfie sticks to go beyond close-up shots. You can capture expansive views, almost as if you were using a drone, opening up a world of creative angles. Designed to work with a vast array of action cameras, wearable cameras, and even mobile phones. It's the versatile solution for capturing all your adventures, no matter your gear. What we like. This mount offers superior stability with its upgraded material, ensuring smooth footage even during intense activity. Its dual ball head provides 360-degree adjustment for the perfect angle every time. If you need a versatile mount that can attach to a wide range of tubes and railings, from bike handlebars to boat guardrails, this is an excellent choice for dynamic shooting scenarios. What people say. The mount is very secure and holds the GoPro steady even in choppy water. Easy to attach and detach, making it convenient for quick setup. The adjustable arm allows for a wide range of shooting angles. Number 4. Ulanzi SC02 Heavy-Duty Suction Cup Mount. Introducing the Ulanzi SC02, a heavy-duty suction cup mount designed for your camera or accessories. Its innovative pump-activated vacuum system ensures a secure and reliable hold on any smooth surface. Experience the power of our new pump-activated technology. By manually pumping air out, it creates a strong vacuum seal, holding your equipment firmly in place through atmospheric pressure. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy and rubber, this mount offers exceptional durability. It can securely hold up to 3 kilograms, with impressive vertical and horizontal suction capacities, ensuring your gear stays put. Quickly attach and detach your camera with the integrated NATO Rail Magic Arm. Its dual 360-degree ball heads allow for effortless angle adjustments, and it even includes an adapter for action cameras like GoPro and DJI. With multiple 1/4 and 3/8 threads, this mount offers extensive expansion possibilities. It's compatible with devices like Pocket 4, allowing you to easily add ball heads and magic arms for stable and flexible filming setups. Its super suction power allows for firm attachment to a wide range of smooth surfaces. Use it on car windshields, doors, roofs, boat surfaces, and more for versatile filming opportunities. What we like. Experience unparalleled security with its pump-activated vacuum suction, providing a rock-solid hold on smooth surfaces. The heavy-duty construction and NATO rail system allow for quick attachment and detachment of your camera. If you're looking for a reliable and robust solution for mounting on vehicles like cars or boats, especially for smooth surfaces like windshields, this mount offers professional-grade stability. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the GoPro securely even in choppy water. Easy to attach and detach from the boat rail, making it convenient for quick setup. The adjustable arm allows for a wide range of shooting angles, capturing great footage from the water level. Number 3. TELESIN Suction Cup Mount for Action Cameras and Phones. Introducing a versatile suction cup mount designed for your action cameras and smartphones. It offers a secure and stable way to capture your adventures. Achieve the perfect shot every time with its 360-degree adjustment capability. You can easily change the angle to suit any scenario or creative need. This mount adheres firmly to any smooth surface, from car windshields and windows to glass, tiles, and even white walls. Take it anywhere your journey leads. Engineered with a powerful suction force and a robust design, it remains incredibly stable even at high speeds. It can handle a significant load, ensuring your gear stays put. Designed with portability in mind, it's foldable and easy to carry. Remember to disengage the buckle when not in use to maintain its optimal performance. It's compatible with a vast range of action cameras, including DJI Osmo Pocket and GoPro models, as well as most smartphones. This is the only mount you'll need. What we like. This mount features a double ball head for complete 360-degree adjustment, allowing you to capture any angle with ease. Its heavy-duty design ensures stable performance, even at high speeds. If you prioritize a portable and stable mounting solution for your car windshield or dashboard, and need to switch between cameras and phones, this offers a convenient and reliable option for on-the-go filming. What people say. It is a great mount for filming from a boat. The mount is very secure and holds the GoPro steady even in choppy water. Easy to attach and detach, making it convenient for quick setup. Number 2. TELESIN Car Mount Suction Cup Phone Holder. Introducing a versatile car mount designed for your action cameras and smartphones. Its adaptable design ensures you can capture every moment from any angle. This mount adheres securely to any smooth surface, from your car's windshield to windows, desktops, and even walls. Enjoy flexible placement wherever you go. Engineered with a powerful suction cup and elastic resin, it provides exceptional stability, even at high speeds. It can hold up to 10 kilograms, ensuring your device stays put. Its humanized, foldable design makes it incredibly portable and easy to store. Take it with you anywhere without hassle. This mount is compatible with a wide range of action cameras, including GoPro, DJI, and Insta360 models, as well as most smartphones. It's the perfect accessory for all your recording needs. Featuring a double ball head, it offers a full 360 degrees adjustment. Easily change the angle to suit different shooting scenarios and get the perfect shot every time. What we like. Enjoy full 360-degree flexibility with its double ball head, perfect for adapting to various shooting needs. It boasts heavy-duty stability, capable of holding up to 10 kilograms and maintaining performance at high speeds. If you're seeking a reliable and portable mount for your car's exterior or interior surfaces, and want the flexibility to mount both cameras and phones, this is a great choice for dynamic vehicle-based shots. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the GoPro securely even in rough waters. Easy to attach and detach from the boat railing, making it convenient to use. Provides a stable platform for filming, resulting in smooth and clear footage. Number 1. Adaptom Motorcycle Helmet Chin Mount. Capture your adventures from a unique perspective. This mount offers a stable and secure way to attach your action camera to your motorcycle helmet. Designed with flexibility in mind, it easily adjusts to fit most helmet shapes, whether you have a circular or angular design. Crafted from soft, non-slip silicone, it prevents scratches on your helmet while ensuring a firm grip. The upgraded elastic strap is durable and easy to use. The high-quality ABS base is designed with rounded edges for user safety and provides exceptional stability for your camera. It's compatible with a vast range of action cameras, including popular models from GoPro, DJI, and Insta360, ensuring you can use your preferred device. Effortlessly install or remove the mount with just one hand. Its reusable design makes it a convenient accessory for any rider. What we like. Designed specifically for helmets, this chin strap mount offers a secure and stable attachment point. Its flexible 180-degree adjustment ensures you can find the perfect forward-facing or action capture angle. If you're a motorcyclist or dirt bike rider who wants to capture POV footage directly from your helmet without worrying about scratching it or the camera slipping, this mount is ideal for immersive riding videos. What people say. The mount is very sturdy and holds the GoPro securely even in rough water conditions. Easy to attach and detach from the boat railing, making it convenient for quick setup. Provides a stable platform for filming, resulting in smooth and professional-looking footage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.